In this video, we will make the idle animation, basically standing animation. The idle animation consists of 3 poses or 3 keyframes. A pose at the start, a pose at the end, a pose in between. And that's it. Since it's this simple, you could skip this episode. If you manage to do the walk cycle, nothing stops you from doing this on your own. Start by making a new action, click on the X to remove the walk cycle. It'll still be there, don't worry. Click on New. In pose mode, select all bones and Alt-R, Alt-G to reset transforms. Enable X mirror at the top right. Bring the feet closer. Untick X mirror. Select all bones with A, I, location and rotation. Name the action idle. Enable fake user. Move the root bone a bit down. I want the character to lean on the pouch. You'll see how I do that. Use the rotate tool and also set it to local. Now move the arm to her waist. Put the right hand on the pouch. After we're done, select all bones and copy the first frame to frame 25. Now we have a loop. At frame 13, we will add the in-between frame so it loops. Before that, I'll adjust the head in the first frame and copy it to the last frame. At frame 13, change the pose a little. Now we can adjust it however you want. Just to make it clear, a simple idle uses 3 keyframes, but that doesn't mean all idle animations are simple and use 3 keyframes. You can do a 20, 10, 100, 1000 keyframes for an idle animation. It's up to you really. For example, Red Dead Redemption has a complex idle animation. 3 keyframes are good for starters. The goal of the course is to show you the basics. I move the knee a bit. Maybe move the foot forward. We will copy all the edits and paste them at the end. Adjust the spine bone and also the hand. Maybe I'll do it on the other hand too. I animated the toes but ended up going back because I didn't like it. I'm not gonna narrate everything because it's pretty self-explanatory. Nothing's new, honestly. I uploaded the whole thing because some people might want to watch it. I tested out the animation, but it feels too fast. So in a few seconds, you'll see me change the length of the animation to 48 frames, which will make it slower. Set the end frame to 48. Select all bones and all keyframes and go to frame 1. Now scale all frames so the last frame reaches 48. See how it looks? Set the end frame to 47, otherwise the first and last frames will play together. Now we have a pretty good idle animation. A bit slow if you ask me, but I'll settle with this.